House pressure water system armed. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Good Lord, Fender. Good Lord, Fender. Come on. What have you done to us? What have you done? You've voxed up this thing, haven't you? L-shaped chassis. I like a challenge, though. Godfather of high gain amps. Or of soul, anyway. We still love you, James. Even those of us that have to work on your amps. This is the main board of the 5150 Iconic. And she's temperamental. She's got an intermittent connectivity issue over here. A preamp end. Gonna see what's cooking. There's a lot of components here that my gear can't service. But we'll see what we can do. Because she's noisy. Ooh, finger. Sorry. So rookie.